Welcome to ARCS Private Limited, your trusted compliance partner. Are you a manufacturer of stainless steel tubes and pipes in India? Then you have probably heard of BIS certification. But do you know what it takes to get certified? In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about BIS certification of steel tubes and pipes along with these key Indian standards, all with the expert guidance of ERCS Private Limited. But firstly, let us know about BIS certification. BIS certification is a process that ensures products meet specific quality, safety and reliability standards for the Indian market. BIS certification is issued by Bureau of Indian Standards. Certification of steel tubes and pipes make them perfect to sell in the Indian market. There are different key Indian standards that govern the BIS certification of steel tubes and pipes. Let's go through them one by one.
IS 1239 Part 1 specifies the requirements for mild steel tubes used for water, gas and steam commonly applied in plumbing and industrial piping systems. It includes classifications for light, medium and heavy-duty tubes based on wall thickness and pressure requirements. IS 1161 covers steel tubes intended for structural purposes in construction and engineering applications, providing guidelines for round, square and rectangular sections with emphasis on strength and durability. IS 4270 outlines the specifications for steel casing pipes used in water wells and bore wells, ensuring they are strong enough to withstand underground pressures and prevent contamination of groundwater. IS 4923 deals with cold-formed hollow steel sections such as square and rectangular tubes used primarily in modern structural applications like bridges, towers and industrial buildings. IS 3601 lays down the requirements for carbon steel tubes used in mechanical and general engineering applications, focusing on dimensional precision, mechanical properties and surface finish for manufacturing machine parts and automotive components. IS 6913. This Indian standard by the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) that specifies the requirements for stainless steel tubes for the food, beverage, dairy and pharmaceutical industries.
IS 18573.
The Indian Standard 88753 specifies cold-formed welded carbon steel square and rectangular hollow sections used for mechanical, general engineering and decorative purposes. This outlines the procedures, apparatus and calculations necessary to measure this fundamental property of advanced ceramic materials. IS 3074. This Indian standard, published by the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS), specifies the requirements for steel tubes used in automotive applications. The standard covers various types of tubes such as electric resistance welded (ERW) and cold drawn seamless (CDS) tubes. IS 12791. This specifies the requirements for high carbon chromium bearing steel tubes. BIS certification for products falling under this standard is required to ensure quality, safety and compliance with Indian regulations. This is mandatory for selling or distributing products in the Indian market. IS 15155 covers carbon bar or wire-wrapped steel cylinder pipes with mortar lining and coating, including specials, particularly in power and process industries, with a focus on heat resistance and performance under high-pressure conditions. IS 17875 provides the specifications for stainless steel seamless pipes and tubes used in heat exchangers, condensers, and boilers, designed for excellent corrosion resistance and thermal stability in demanding environments. IS 17876 defines the standards for stainless steel welded pipes and tubes for high-temperature services such as in refineries and power plants, ensuring superior strength, pressure resistance and long-term performance.
BIS certification for domestic and foreign manufacturers. Now let's talk about how BIS certification works for both domestic and foreign manufacturers. For domestic manufacturers in India, the process includes factory inspection, product testing in BIS recognized labs, and implementation of quality control system. For foreign manufacturers, BIS operate the Foreign Manufacturing Certification Scheme, FMCS. This involves appointing an authorized Indian representative, AIR, submitting application, factory inspection by BIS officials, and sample testing in India. Once approved, the foreign manufacturers get BIS license, allowing export of certified products into India legally and compliantly. Whether you're manufacturing locally or overseas, BIS certification is mandatory for regulated products, and that's where ERCS Private Limited steps into simplifying the process. ERCS Private Limited helps you to get certified without any delays or rejection. ERCS simplifies the entire BIS certification journey. We are your trusted compliance partner, helping you to navigate at every step of BIS certification journey with confidence. ERCS assists with preparing and reviewing all your documents, helps to select the right BIS approved lab, coordinate with samples preparation and dispatch, follow up on test reports, and assist in retesting if needed. Partner with ERCS Private Limited to get your steel tubes and pipes BIS certified quickly, compliantly, and confidently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more compliance and certification insights with ERCS.